So good morning. As usual, I'm here in the balcony to have sunlight for a while. But the cloud is covering the sun. It's cloudy. My glasses is very dirty. It's hard to see. I need to put spray in my nose. Wanna see the there? That's the sun is there. The clouds is covering the sun. That's why the sun is hiding in the clouds. It's Thursday, almost weekend again. My hair is hard to comb. Bye guys, good morning everyone.